Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm going to be vlogging every single day of the last 39 days of my pregnancy. I'm calling it hashtag Pregmas. If you have 16 more days left to your pregnancy, if you have 5 more days, I don't care. If you're vlogging your pregnancy, go ahead and use that hashtag so I can follow you and you can follow me. All right, so let me start by doing a belly shot. 34 weeks, 3 days. And yeah, these vlogs are gonna be showing you guys our everyday life. My husband actually just got home from work. We're about to unpack the minivan and make a huge brunch, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me, so come along. So yeah, we're gonna get this car unpacked. Okay.
Hi. Hey.
I'm going to use the bathroom for the 1 millionth time for the day. You know what Pregmas is?
No, but doesn't mean you gotta pee or something?
Do you know what the first rule of Pregmas is?
Go to the bathroom?
No, but guys, I'm literally shaking.
What's Pregmas? I don't know what that is.
Pregmas, where I'm vlogging the last 39 days of my pregnancy.
Oh. Hi, cuties.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Vince here. Living the life. I live the life too. We're about to put some light bulbs in the deck.
He's already doing his husband duties as soon as he gets home. We're trying to get vlog lighting throughout this house.
3, 2, 1.
Happy Pregmas! The little sneak peek of our homeschool setup. All right, guys. Oh, yeah, sorry. Pregnancy brain, 39 days left. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do a quick haul showing you guys everything that we got from the grocery store for this Saturday brunch. These are the gloves that we use. They're BPA free, but we use them when we need to like touch up food and stuff, like the tofu that we're gonna be making. And every time I try to do a shot, it is like, hey guys. Oh, this is Rocky, who is always making all that amazing food. He is gonna be making the entire breakfast. So yeah, you guys are gonna get to finally see him make breakfast. There are all of the 5 kids. Mookie, Rocky, Karina, Carmi, and Wesley. Oh yeah, these sunglasses during Pregmas, I'm gonna have a video called Baby Gear That Lasts. We've had these sunglasses for 8 years, going on 9 years now. They have never broken, never chipped. They are Fisher Price. Wow, I feel like all these years I've been wondering what they are. There you go, good job. These are the only sunglasses that have ever survived my kids, and I have a list of all these other products, and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. And that's what Pregmas is all about. I'm going to be sharing my tips, my tricks, and also it's a way for me to catalog our last pregnancy ever. Like, people often ask me what prenatals I use, and I've used these for 2 years for the past 2 vegan pregnancies. They are amazing. I take them 3 times a day. Okay, time to do the haul. Dad, help me out, please. All right.
Oh man, you pregnant? You mad pregnant? Super pregnant.
Okay, so Rocky set it up like aisles. So what's this? This is the dairy aisle?
Yep.
So we've got our creamer, Earth Balance butter, Ardea cheddar cheese spreads. Make sure you get the cutting board variety. It's the best one. Califia almond milk. We always come back to Califia because it only has 3 grams of sugar, and our baby boy really likes it. So next we've got the breakfast style. So we've got grilled roast sausage. These are apple maple. We actually make our own vegan sausages too, but these are really good. Then we've got Simple Truth organic extra firm tofu, and then we've got Sweet Earth hickory and sage bacon, and then we've got blue agave, which we love. And then in the fruit aisle, we've got our organic bananas and our organic biologique strawberries, and then potatoes. Yeah, this is why we don't normally vlog, because this is what they would literally do the entire time. Let me run you guys through the rules of Pregmas in case you want to participate. Okay, rule number 1, every single day we eat good, and then, you know, we drink good, okay? And then, you know, we live good, and we love good, and we dance good, and we read good, and we prep good. Today's episode is gonna be about eating good, and so you guys will get to see what we eating today.
No worries, we'll just have to cut out all the stitch tuck.
You like that? The hat?
For what? What's that for?
That's for Pregmas.
What does that have to do with pregnancy? Like, how does that like encapsulate pregnancy?
Oh, I can't answer all of that. It's just the vibe. It's
What's the vibe? Let me hear the vibe. Like, you feel proud of the faces that you're making right now.
It's hot though, right? That's
Carmi,
fire,
is
right?
it hot?
That was fire, right?
Oh no! Oh guys, this is the hack that I want to show you. I just take a tank top and I pull it all the way down and I wear it as a skirt. Look, and then you can wear skirts your whole pregnancy. It looks super cute. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the baby kicking. Oh, your hand looks so nice. It's really cinematic.
Ooh. Oh wow. Making room?
Room for some pancakes. French toast. Got anything dirty in the background?
Italian seasoning. Okay. Whatever you want to call it. Crinkle, whatever you want to call it. And then a half a tablespoon of salt.
That's a lot. That's how much salt you really put in?
No.
Guys, he's telling y'all fake stuff. He doesn't want y'all to know.
Okay,
Alright. He doesn't want to show the rest of the thing. It's okay. Let's respect it. Do you hear that? Oh yeah. That just sounds like it tastes good. Ooh, that's good. I'm good. I'm good. That iced coffee though. Hi, baby.
Now, never use a wet spoon to mix because then flour will collect on that spoon and then the whole recipe is messed up. It won't get that nice crumbly bread type when you're trying to mix in the butter. It'll just be super watery and all stuck together. And we don't want that. Then you mix.
You getting the butter infused into every inch of the mix. That's what makes it the most yummiest buttermilk pancake.
To get that yellowish color. Oh, look at the strawberry. That's kind of like a cherry. You guys see that? There we go. Look at that. It's still on its vine.
Mmm, perfect. Ooh.
Look at those eggs. You always want to put dry or Dania cheese in your eggs, and then a little bit of turmeric, salt, and black pepper. Look at that. Looks like real eggs, doesn't it? Real scrambled eggs. But yeah, that's the eggs. Yeah? It's gonna take as long as I want to eat.
Wesley, where's the strawberries?
Wesley ate the rest of the strawberries.
If you are going to be participating in Pregmas, make sure you have an inaugural Pregmas brunch. This is what's left of my Pregmas brunch. We've got some eggs, we've got some bacon, we've got some potatoes, we've got some college pancakes. Your inaugural Pregmas brunch has got to just go hard. It's
Gotta mention Pregmas at least 5,000 times.
First rule of Pregmas, we don't talk about Pregmas, we just live Pregmas / all we do is talk about Pregmas. Mine is 39 more days. What's yours? Do you have 16 more days left? 2 more days? 1 more day? It doesn't matter. I do not discriminate. Anyone can celebrate Pregmas wherever they are. Are you on day 1 of your pregnancy and you plan to vlog every single day? You're Pregmasing, okay? If you plan to get pregnant next month, pre-Pregmasing, it's a thing.
Come over here.
Come over here. Here.
Over here. Huh?
This is going. Okay. Hey, you don't need that. Hey, you don't need that. You don't need that. What? There.
If you say thank you, he might give it to you. Say thank you, he might give it to you.
He'll give you something else.
But no.
Are you helping put it away?
Good job, Wesley.
Oh, such a big boy. Where are you putting it? In your lap to open? Wesley, no. Don't play with the light switch. We just put that bulb in. Day 1 of Pregmas. Wesley, that is not the way a prince behaves.
Prince Ali.
Leave fabulous he Ali of Babwa. Mookie looks so put upon. Can you breathe? He doesn't care. Prince Ali. What happened? What happened? You trying to push him back down?
Like, come on, I'll just go back to the lights.
You're going back to the lights, your original love? Mookie, is this what everything you imagine having a baby brother would be like?
Yes.
Oh, Carmi, how's your ice? That ice sounds good, girl. So gentle. Gentle.
Tata.
Gentle.
Tata.
Gentle.
Gentle.
Do, da. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. You got a fast car. Pregmas, day 1. Signing out.